All right, guys, welcome back to another Grow the Earth. And today I'm going to show you one of the best things that you can grow because it takes the least amount of effort to grow and it will give you returns every time that you grow it. Now, first things first, this is something that you can grow in your garden or in a pot. It doesn't care as long as you've got some sunlight, some good soil, it doesn't matter. It will grow and it will give you returns every time. Now, what I'm talking about is this. Oh, you know what? If you've never grown this, then you don't know what this is. But I can tell you one thing, this absolutely smells wonderful when you run your hands through the little shoots here. Now, if you don't know what this looks like, maybe this will give you a better idea of what it is. This is ginger. Now, ginger is a root. That is what is actually growing below the soil here. And that's where these shoots are coming from, is the ginger that we planted, about 2 or 3 months ago. Of course, if you're into cooking or if you like Asian food especially, ginger is a very big component of Asian food, and also a lot of people make teas and so forths out of it. They make extracts and dried powders that they take for health and things like that. And it is a very versatile herb, if you didn't know it's an herb, and it is quite expensive. If you look over here, I've got the price of ginger root in the store at my local store, and you can see per pound it's quite expensive. But guess what? What if I told you that you bought that once, planted it, and that you could harvest it continually and that it would grow every year? Again, some good soil, a pot, you can have this on a patio at your apartment. You can put this in your garden bed. We grow it inside of a pot because it just makes it easier to harvest. And that way, because this stuff, as it grows, it spreads and it will take over an area. Um, but we just keep it in a pot up here on the front porch. It grows perfectly fine. And whatever you put in, I'm guarantee you will get double out as long as you have some decent soil. Now, the good part about it is whenever you need some of this, you don't have to wait for you don't have to wait for a certain point to get some. You can harvest this straight out of the ground. Best part about ginger is whenever you're ready to, let's say you need some of it. The best part is you can just simply dig down and you can find the edge of your ginger and get some of this soil out of the way so you guys can see. And you will find where it is growing with one of these little shoots out of it. We're going to reach down here and we're going to break a piece off. Now, this looks a little bit different than the ginger you get at the store. Now you have your fresh ginger. Now, this is not going to hurt your ginger plant at all. So now that you've got it out of the ground, you can simply just take these little sprouts and break them off. Now, you can actually use this to make ginger tea with. Let it dry out a little bit, chop it up, throw in some water and boil it, and you've made ginger tea. And then you have your ginger root, which is what you normally would cut up and, dry or whatever it is that you're going to use in your cooking. And this, you use what you need, put the rest in your refrigerator, and it will dry out and look just like the brown root that you're used to seeing in the grocery store. So now that we've harvested our ginger, uh, you just leave what's left in the ground, and it will continue to grow. It will continue to sprout and everything else. Whenever it starts to get winter time in your area, wherever that is, this will start to brown up and die back. When it does, dig up all your ginger root, put it in your refrigerator, use it as you need to, and then whenever you're ready, plant it back in your soil. And when spring comes around, and it will sprout and it will start growing again. So, this is something that a beginning gardener can grow because the only thing that you need is some ginger, decent soil, a container, and a little bit of water. You do have to water these semi regularly. Um, it's not one of those things that if you don't water it once that it's going to die, but giving it regular water will make it produce better and make it grow better and give you um, better results. Put it that way. So, guys, if you like this video, I want you to like, subscribe, all those nice things, and put a comment down in the comment section if you didn't know about ginger root and how it grows and how easily it can be something to add to your arsenal of things that you don't have to buy at the store anymore. Let me know. So, guys, as always, I thank you for joining me today, and I want you to pray over your family, pray over your garden, and have a great day.